Hello students, today in this video we will take a new poem, Make Room for Elephants. This is a poem from Reader Book. This poem is written by Ruskin Bond. He is a Indian British writer. Make room for elephants. I know the world's a crowded place and elephants do take up space. But if it makes a difference, Lord, I would gladly share my room and board. A baby elephant would do. But if he brings his mother too, there is Dad's garage, he wouldn't mind. To elephants, he is more than kind. But I wonder what our mom would say if the elephant's father came to stay. Now we start our poem once again and try to understand what the poet wants to say in these lines. I know the world's a crowded place. Poet says the world is crowded place. World is full of people. And elephants do take up space. And he also knows the elephant is a big animal and it takes big space in this world. But if it makes a difference, if he is different, or if it makes a difference, Lord, I would gladly share my room and board. The poet says, if the elephant tried to adjust itself, Lord, I would gladly share my room. He says he will ready to share his room as well as his board. What's the meaning of board? Board means meals. He would like to share his meals, his food with the elephant. A baby elephant would do. Like baby elephant, it is adjusting the things with human beings. So if the elephant is ready, so he will share his room as well as his food. But if he brings his mother too, if he also brings the mother in a city, there is a dad's garage, so he can adjust his mother also in dad's garage. He wouldn't mind. If he don't mind, then he is ready to share his daddy's garage for his stay or her stay. To elephants, he is more than kind. For elephant, it is big in size and it is good for his for staying. But I wonder what our mom would say. But the poet says, But I wonder what our mom would say if the elephant's father came to stay. If his father also come to stay in the city, how he could adjust and what his mother would say. That is the question to be asked. So Ruskin Bond here, he in this poem wants to share his emotions with the animal. So in this poem, Make Room for Elephants, is animal and plants caring nature of the poet, which shows he is ready to give space to elephants. But it is not easy for him to give the occupation or give the space for all his family member in his room. So again, I am reading this poem. I know the world's a crowded place and elephants do take up space, but if it makes a difference, Lord, I would gladly share my room and board. He is ready to accept the animal. He is ready to share his room as well as food. A baby elephant would do. Like the baby elephant is ready to adjust there, but if he brings his mother too, still he is ready to give the space in daddy's garage. There is daddy's garage. He won't mind. He is ready to give the space to his mother also. To elephants, he is more than kind. That space is good and it is adjustable. the animal can also adjust. It is big in size, so elephant can adjust in the garage. To elephants, he is more than kind, but I wonder what our mom would say. But I am not sure about my mom, what she would say. If the elephant's father came to stay, if his father also come to stay in the home, what will happen? I am not sure. Ruskin Bond says he is not sure about his father because he is ready to adjust the baby elephant as well as his mother, but he is not sure about his father, how he will care or give the space to his father. This is a poem of Ruskin Bond. Read this poem and recite it at home. Make room for elephants. Thank you.